Hello and welcome. Here at NeenOpal, we are always trying to aid and improve decision making by leveraging data. So today, we'll be looking at a feature by PowerBI for personalization of visuals. So what personalization actually means is that the end user can modify the content of the report as per their requirement or preferences. Because many a times it happens that even though the report is in good shape, decision making requires the visualization differently, depending on use case or even preferences by different users. So personalization helps us in achieving that by making the report more dynamic. So this is the dashboard that we'll be looking at today, which shows the analysis of turnover, contribution and PBT. This feature allows me to turn on personalization for certain slicers or visuals, like I've turned it on for this particular one. So before diving into how we personalize, I would like to show what it's capable of. So looking at this particular visual, I can convert it into, say, monthly contributions like this. And say if the user wants to look at the tabular version of the data, looking at all the numbers, they can also turn it into a table like this. So coming back to how we personalize, I can simply go to the personalization panel by clicking on this icon here, and here the panel pops up. So firstly, I can select what kind of visual do I want it to be. Say, do I want it to be a line chart, or do I want it to be a line and column chart? And I can also change the pattern of my fields. Say I want PBT to be a line, so I can simply drag and drop it here and change it into a line. I can also change the summarization of these fields. Like if I want contribution to be shown as the maximum one, I can change it, but let's keep it sum for now. I can also change the fields here. Say instead of turnover, I wanted to look at budgeted turnover, and instead of contributions, I wanted to look at forecasted contributions, so I can change it. I also have freedom to add new fields here. Say I want to see target PBT, so I can add it and then drag and drop it here to make PBT a line. Okay, so this is a monthly distribution that we are looking at. Say I wanted to look at it product wise, so I can go to the x-axis and change this into a product. So I have my product wise distribution. One more interesting thing that can be done with this, I can add all the fields how I want to see it. So I also want to look at it station wise and also monthly, so I can add month here. And now I can simply go to these drill down and drill up options to change my fields. So I have product wise distribution, I can change it to station wise, and now monthly, and so on. So instead of in addition to this, I also have option to add column legends and tooltips if I wanted to be in the visual. And say if I want this to be a regular analysis and I don't want to perform it again and again, I can again go to the bookmark section and add a personal bookmark, say bookmark regular, and save it. So now I can switch between my bookmarks and look at it whenever I want it. So this pretty much sums up the feature. I hope this demonstration was helpful. Thank you.